Okay, we're going to have a look at profit. Profit is the extra amount you make on any sale. So if you bought something for £8 and then sold it for 10, your profit is the difference between them, okay? So your profit you would have made there is £2. They don't just like to ask about how much profit you've made though, they want to know now what the percentage profit is, okay? To do that, you've got to remember that you don't use this number. Do not use this one. You've got to work out this step, because any profit you make is will end up having the original amount deducted from it. So you haven't made £10 profit, you sold it for £10, but you made the £2 profit. So let's have a look. How could we do that? £2. Let's first of all change it into a fraction. So you made £2 on top of the original 8. There I have it, a fraction straight away. To change that to a percentage, all I have to do is divide the top number by the bottom. 2 divided by 8. You might already notice that this fraction is equivalent to another one. 2/8 is equivalent to a quarter. A quarter is actually 25%. Okay, so you bought something for £20, let's say, again, and then you ended up selling it for £30. How much profit did you make? Well, if we do 30 minus 20, you'd end up with £10 profit. We then need to work out what the percentage profit is. To do this, we divide the profit by the original price, just another 20, and then times that by 100 to change it to a percent. If you have a look at this, 10 divided by 20, because that means the same as this at the top. If we simplified that down, it ends up being 1/2, which we know is 50% profit. So you made the original money and you've made 50% profit. If you chose to use that number, if you use 30/20, you'd end up with 150%. And you haven't made 150% on that original price. That is probably where, if you make a mistake, this is where it's going to be made from not doing this first step. Okay, if I write a question for you, I'd like you to have a go, so make sure you pause the video after I've written it down for you. Have a go, pause the video, and then have a look at the answer, your question. Let's say you buy a bike for £70. You ended up selling it for £100. How much profit did you make? So work that out first, and then find your percentage profit. Remember, you need to do the profit divided by the original price. That will give you times by 100 to change it to a percentage, and that will give you your answer in percent. So pause here and have a go with the question. Okay, so you should have paused it and you should have had a go at that question. You will have found out that you made a £30 profit. Now the next step for you is to take that £30 and divide it by the original cost, which was 70, and times it by 100. This would then give you an answer of 42.85%. Now if you find that easy and you got the answer right, I'd say try a different topic or a few more questions of this. If you didn't get it right, try some of the questions on Moodle. see how you do. If you're still struggling, maybe watch the video again to help you, or come along to a clinic. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching.